Hey, it's Angelo here with Angel's Edge again. Got a video or unboxing of a survival blade. I believe it was got for Christmas, a gift. So I'm gonna unbox it. I believe it's from Target. You can see it was $15. So it's a 3.5 stainless steel drop point blade, emergency paracord, textured grip, belt clip. So let's unbox it and see what it's like. So that's one benefits of doing knife videos. Everybody buys you Christmas gifts know you like knives, so you get knives. So you can unbox them. So here's what it comes in. So alright, get the box right there. It's stacking up pretty good. There we go. That's a big flipper. It's not automatic, or it's actually a nice drop point blade. So tip, it's like red and black. There it is. Look, it's right here. So that's what it comes with. It has a camouflage looking, like somehow how you'd get the. I'm not sure how you get the paracord out if you wanted to. You'd have to disassemble it to get the. I don't know. It's kind of weird. I guess it's emergency if you need it. But let's see. There's the blade. It's kind of a drop point. It says no play in it right now. Maybe a little bit, but not much. So there's the back side. It's kind of funky looking black painted blade. Tip down only carry with a lanyard hole. But they kind of interesting. It's really plasticky right there. Definitely plastic handles, but it looks like it's got it's metal. It's just metal on top of the plastic on top of the metal with the paracord looped through the plastic handle. It didn't say what it was like with the. It didn't say what kind of steel. It just said stainless. Yeah, so this. I actually looked it up on Target. I found it on Target and go here. Go here. This was on Target online. It says $15 to 3 reviews, 4 stars. Yeah. So 3.5, what I already read, emergency paracord. Yeah, like I don't know. I don't get to deal with the paracord though. It's like it's bolted down underneath. So I don't know how really. I don't want to take it apart just to take the paracord, but I guess if you needed to get to it, you could. Or untie it, may slip it under. I don't know, but so there's what that looks like. 5 more pictures. It says, it's like shows a little picture. It did a real nice job displaying it and stuff. Different things. See. So they give you a little video you could watch. I guess that must be their, like, Walmart has Ozark Trail. This must be their version of the Ozark Trail. So, what's that? Oh, you don't think a lot of people at Target go to the jungle? That's what it said in their that's what it said. I don't know. It feels like, I don't think it's shaving shirt, but it's not really hair shaving shirt, but it's got a edge to it. Let's see if we can. Where's that? I doubt it cut through telephone book. Let's see. Oh crap. See if I doubt. I'll see if it cuts through a telephone. It might. It feels sharp. I don't know how long the edge lasts, but I mean, it don't. I'm guessing. I thought I seen it. It said so. Oh, it hit it. It almost cuts. It probably cut through. It's not bad edge. I mean, it's not like super, not the best, but it's nothing sharp. It'd cut through stuff. See the lock up. I mean, I don't know. Probably once that, I'd say they'll probably drop the price after Christmas. Probably it's kind of Christmas colors, black and white. I'd say I wouldn't pay more than $10 for this. You'd probably get it for $5 to $6. But see if I can see. It has nylon pivot washers, so it's a cheaper knife. It's not. I think they definitely went for the not gimmicky, but kind of like someone. It's not quite good. The D10 isn't good enough to flip it open. Maybe with a it's one-handed open. You do the wrist flick and you got it. So, but yeah, I'd say it's worth probably $6 to $10. I wouldn't pay the $15, but it was most likely they're targeting Target at Target. Oh look, it's Target colors too. It's red and black kind of. They're probably targeting the Christmas shoppers. They know like people that like knives outdoors. And it's like easy pick up. Oh cool. I don't have to. Oh, $15. I got a gift for such and such. I know he likes outdoor stuff. So. And it's suitable. It'd be a good beater knife to, I mean, if you don't care too much about breaking. Like I said, stainless steel, so it shouldn't rust. It didn't say what type it is, but it's probably, I'm guessing this is just painted. So, but it catches the edge. It has it won't shave, but it has a filler line so. I don't think it has this. I don't think not really enough to spider flick it, but it has a flipper. That time I got it out. I wonder if it'll break in. It almost got it with the flick. You really get a good hit on it. But the paracord, just kind of, I think, is interesting because I don't think you'd be able to get this out without busting off the handle. I don't get that. Just, I guess, I don't know. But hey, it's alright though. I'll take it. I gotta get that wrist flick and you're good. You're golden. So, alright, well, so this is let me get it back out. I don't know if they even does, just says the survival blade, Target survival blade, and adventure, what does that say? Cut there or out? Oh, out there. It says out there. Back side of the box. Like I said, it's definitely let's see, here's some barcode. So that might be the number right here. I don't know. But there's no writing on it or anything. But, actually, it's Christmas colors. You got the red and you got the green paracord. So then you kind of But yeah, for most likely I usually don't go to Target because we don't have one really close to our house. But I'm guessing this was like in the kiosk or like the end aisle, so they could pick up. So I'm sure probably a lot of you people that watch my videos, you probably got something like this for Christmas just because people know you like knives. So all right, well, I'll catch you later in the next video. And remember, like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge. See ya. Bye.